all about oats, instant versus traditional for dinner.
Hello, fellow food enthusiasts. Today, we're going to answer a common question in the world of culinary experimentation. Can I use instant oats for dinner or should I opt for traditional oats? This is a question that has probably crossed the minds of many health-conscious eaters and cooking enthusiasts.
What are instant oats and traditional oats?
Instant oats are pre-cooked, dried, and then rolled. They cook more quickly than steel-cut or rolled oats, but their texture is softer and they often lose a bit more of their flavor. Traditional oats, which can refer to steel-cut or rolled oats, are minimally processed. This means they retain more fiber and protein, but also that they take longer to cook. Steel-cut oats are whole oat groats that have been chopped into pieces but not rolled, and rolled oats are whole oat groats that have been steamed, rolled into flakes, and then dried.
Can I use instant oats for dinner?
Yes, you can absolutely use instant oats for dinner. Instant oats are highly versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes beyond just breakfast oatmeal. They can be used in savory oatmeal recipes, added to casseroles for extra fiber, or even used to thicken soups and stews.
Should I opt for traditional oats for dinner?
Yes, opting for traditional oats for dinner is also a great choice. The higher fiber content can help keep you feeling full for longer. Traditional oats are ideal for dishes that require a longer cooking time or when you want a heartier texture and a stronger oat flavor. These oats are perfect for a savory porridge or a pilaf-style dish.
Instant oats versus traditional oats. Which is healthier?
When it comes to health, both instant oats and traditional oats have their merits. Instant oats are great for convenience, while traditional oats have a slightly higher nutritional profile due to less processing. However, the differences are minor, so it's really up to your personal preference and what you're using them for. In conclusion, whether you use instant oats or traditional oats for your dinner depends on your personal taste, the time you have available for cooking, and the specific texture you prefer. Both options are healthy and can be used in a myriad of creative and tasty ways. So, go ahead and get innovative with your oatmeal recipes, and bon appetit! We hope this video has been helpful. Until next time, happy cooking!